start again. So, all right, we're gonna start again. This is going to be Blaster Box. Gosh, my numbers might already be off. This might be number 5. Yeah, I bought 4 last night. 3. There's 3 there, 1 there. So, all right. So this must be actually Blaster Box number 6. But since I can't keep track, but Jason Mott, Yadier Molina, Chris Tillman, John Smoltz, card your mom threw out. Turkey Red of Marquez, Sizemore, Braden, or Bowden, and AJ Brzezinski, who was like Mr. Tiger Killer. Jeff Francis, Delman Young, Austin Jackson rookie. Alcide Escobar, Tom Seaver, Vintage Legends. Tops 2020 of David Price. Lexi Ramirez, Top Attacks, and Mark Reynolds. Base. Still in the search for another pie card, maybe a legend. John Buck, John Raymore, New York Yankees. Derek Lee, Tops Performance. Votto, Top Attacks. A sketch card. Jimmy Guthrie, Cubs Franchise History, and J.D. Drew. And we got the Rockies, Jason Giamano, Emil Rogers, Whitey Ford, card your mom threw out, Musial Holiday, Lincecum, Fontenot, and Jake Westbrook will finish off that pack. Which feels a little different. Francisco Liriano, Manny Parra, Ruben Tejada, Ramon Hernandez, Jim Brunning. That is an original back. Luis Aparicio, Felix Hernandez, and a Jeremy Bonderman to finish off that box. Probably another 20 minutes. Jeff will be here. Todd Helton, Scott Sizemore rookie. Orioles Franchise History showing the 21-31 of Lou Gehrig. Edgar Renteria World Series History, Zach Greinke. Alexi Castilla, I guess, Aaron Cook. I can't remember, I think it was Cook I watched pitch last year in Denver. Casey McGee, J.R. Towles, Gaylord Perry, Tops Moms Throughout, Thurman Munson. Vintage Legends, million card giveaway. Yogi Berra, Pablo Sandoval, Donner Navarro, and Mark Replinzitsky. Luis Castillo, Brett Gardner, Jeff Suppan, Connor Jackson, Honus Wagner and McCutcheon, Evan Longoria, Tops 2020, Jason Bay, and Brandon McCarthy. Pick that stack up real quick. Alright. Ubaldo Jimenez, Brett Myers, Steve Searcy, Buster Posey, Max Scherzer, Joakim Sora, Carlos Lee, and Kelly Johnson. So, pretty much last pack, because that's the patch. I should almost be selling the patch cards separate. But Zamaya, Sonestein, Julio Bourbon, Eckersley, card your mom threw out, Mel Ott. Beautiful 89 Tops. Vintage Legends, Giovanni Gallardo, Taylor Teagarden, and Sin Soo Choo. And we got a World Series commemorative of Ryan Howard. That's not a bad little. Somebody kind of current. From the 2008 World Series.